I'll get a lot of questions on the board or it's going to be a really short show.
Yeah.
Okay? Any questions?
Ask him all the questions.
Ask all the questions. Somebody on the Discord had a whole lot of questions about stellar lumens. Now, the first question was, will stellar lumens ever be tax-free when cashing out? I don't think so, unless you're self-custodying it and you have a special friend that can cash it out for you. But if you're going through the traditional methods of cashing out your XLM, no. That's when the tax people will get you. Especially if you greenlit your wallet. Greenlighting a wallet just means you've registered that wallet with the government in some way. Otherwise, they can't track it, right? You have to remember, most cryptocurrencies are pseudo-anonymous. Okay? So, health of that never happening. Unless you know what you're doing, yes, you can cash it out tax-free. But the majority of people don't really know how to do that. And yes, you'll be taxed. It's the only thing, the only thing that governments can do well is collect taxes and create havoc. Everything else, well, they don't know what they're doing. We got that high priestess and the money making, and I think when you do cash it out, make sure it's 15% up above minimum where you bought in, or you're going to be losing a lot of money on the deal. And of course, the people behind the scenes, the double card is you're too tied to things that are easy. Okay, so the majority of the people are too tied to the easy. They don't want to go through all the little hoops that you can get tax-free money. They just want to stay with the basics. Okay, so hopefully that answers those questions. Capital gains, that's okay. Same thing, pretty much. Unless you know the special way of doing it. Will XLM ever reach $15 USD by the end of 2025? And I'm getting a big no. There was some news on XLM not that long ago. But there's nothing major that's been talked about stellar lumens. It's been out of the news. It's been out of sight, out of mind. So people haven't really been getting into the stellar lumens for quite some time and been excited about it or anything. So attention, money goes where attention is, right? There hasn't been any attention. Something is going to be happening. We got that wonderful death card on the first slot, but it's upside down. So they were headed for kind of a collapse of nobody using it, right? Nobody's using it for business or giving each other money or storing it. It's kind of a dead coin at the moment. But I think something's going to be turning around after 2025, where they're going to be recouping some of the excitement that they once had. You got to be always in the news in crypto land, or you're dead in the water. Okay? We got the sun, which is upside down. So it's not to the point of where, yay, stellar lumens. It's going to be, yeah, stellar lumens. It's part of the bunch. Sorry if you're a big stellar lumens fan, but it hasn't had any press for a long time, and I think a lot of people are going to be put off with this particular situation, and they're going to be leaving it